And he was working, and he ended up getting electrocuted. He had thought the power was off, and it wasn't off. He didn't double check, or he double checked, and whatever it was, he ended up getting electrocuted and got 480 through him, and it killed him. And I was the one who had to go tell his mother, my mother, that he got killed, and that's the hardest thing I've ever had to do. I don't ever want anybody to ever have to go through that, ever.
A family tragedy drives Rick Stevens on a quest for safety.
Okay, always remember that. You've got 2 fingers here. Okay, when you get 2 fingers in there, you're good. You maneuver good. Other thing too, one thing to keep in mind, folks, when you put your harness on and you start walking around, it will loosen up. I guarantee you.
Rick is Hoosier Crane service inspector and trainer.
From day one at Hoosier Crane, our #1 goal has been safety. And it's not just for the employees at Hoosier Crane, it's also for our customers, because it's what we do. It's what I do on a day-to-day basis. When we do crane inspections, we're inspecting the crane and ensure that it's safe for the customer to use. When we go out and do repairs, we're repairing the crane, make sure it's safe for operation, so they can run a production and have a safe operation with it. We do operator training, which is exactly what it is. We train the operators in a safe manner to where they operate the cranes.
You just don't want it so tight that you can't maneuver, but yet you don't want it too loose where it is.
Yes, I have.
Rick recently taught a fall protection class at Utilimaster in Bristol.
Not wearing their harness properly. That's usually your biggest mistake, and not having a rescue plan in case somebody does fall. There are many mistakes that people make. They think just by being hooked up you're safe, and you're not. You have to make sure you've got the proper arrestor system to where if you do fall, you don't hit the ground before it actually arrests you. So, and we ran into that not too long ago when I was out doing some training at a customer. So it's important to know what you need, get the proper equipment you need, and Hoosier Crane can help you out with that.